thanks for sharing. Very interesting article that you presented there. You know, one of the things that I'm interested to know about your article is, what are some solutions for keeping up with the cost of inflation, or the rate of inflation, without drastic tuition hikes? I know higher education is not the only business that has to combat inflation, yet that is always presented as a contributing factor as to why they have drastic increases in tuition, which obviously affects students' ability to complete their educational programs, or it also contributes to the high rates of student loan debt that we're currently facing in America today. Also, other than public funding, how are colleges able to sustain reasonable operating budgets 20 years ago? And with that being said, as a college leader, put yourself in the role of CFO. What would you do to address some of the issues that you presented in your article? You know, share that with the class. And again, thanks again for the response.